Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the boot gas struts because, as you can see, mine don't hold my boot open anymore and it's very inconvenient and annoying. The only things you'll need for this are a 12mm wrench and your new gas struts. I got these from Strut Specialist somewhere in Queensland. I'll leave their link in the description. As you can see, they come with new ball joints, which is good. All you'll need to do is undo this ball joint here and here, and then this will come off, and then put your new ball joints in, and the new strut should just pop on. Once that's off, come and grab our new ball joints. 1, 2. I'm going to put these little black rubber things back on. Usually you would keep the washers from your old ball joints, but the new ones should come with them anyway. And then screw them in. Do them up nice and tight. I've just noticed the new struts come with like a little locking pin thing. So once you take that off, it should just pop on the new ball joint. The new ones I've got are actually slightly longer than the OEM ones. So I've had to take this side off as well, so I could hold the boot up a bit further to jam this on. It was a bit hard, but as you can see, once it's on, it's being held up by itself with only one. So go ahead and repeat the process on the other side and you're sweet. And there you go, good as new. Finally being held up by itself. Thanks for watching, I hope this helped. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.